Hi guys, good morning.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
today we are going to discuss this transformation concept. Okay, so let me open transformation. So first I will explain transformations in the BW on HANA. Then I will go to BW for HANA. Then you will understand easily. Same concepts only in both systems. This is very important. That is why we are explaining into both systems. Example, I'll go to info product. Okay, and then I will create one ADSO. Okay, let me create one ADSO. We have one transaction line. Okay, we have transaction data, plant, metal, customer. First, I will create one data source. Go to source systems. Now we having only this source system to get data from the ECC. So I will go to file. So here I am going to create one data source. Okay, this is working or not? I will check. Yeah, this is working.
Flat files, no?
Yeah, flat file. And right click on this and then creating one data source. Transactional data. Now we need to select our file. Go to desktop. What is our file? Transactional data source. Transactional data, right? Okay, I'm selecting this CSV file. And first row we need to ignore and we need to keep these options. Just recollect all objects. Okay, and go to proposal. So in the proposal level, you will come to know, okay, how data is coming, the fields, see in the order level it is coming. Okay, go to fields. Now what I'm doing it here, like this, I'm popping the fields, okay. So how much original length it is there, it will come.
How now?
These are the info objects, right? You can see here,
How we
template is,
copying?
see here, info object template. These are fields. You can see this is field, header name. You can see this is info object name, this is field, right? In the
Uh,
data source level, we have fields, right? Whatever we
how we
have in
copying
the
that
file
I'm
level.
asking.
Yeah, I'm giving technical name, enter it. I'm giving technical name, I'm getting enter. Okay, so it is not coming, right? Star. So I'm getting like this, okay? Zero plant, enter here. See, changing care and two, it will change. See, it will change. It will change. See, care, original length is 4 only. Okay. And now zero material. it will change. Okay. Now this one,
Now, why copying? Now, what purpose?
I'll tell you. So remaining, I will not copy. Okay, I will not copy. So I'm activating it. When you are giving automatically, okay, system will understand. These are zero objects, right? Zero info object. Okay, while you are mapping in the transformation level, automatically it will map to the out target. Okay, I remaining I didn't map it. Okay, no, you will come to know. Okay, just wait 2 minutes. Huh? Okay, now you can see these are the data in the data source level. We didn't load it. Okay, what is our data source name? This. Okay, right click, create info package. Right. Okay, now you can go to schedule and click on start. Allow. Now you can see data 6 records in our PSA level. Okay, I will tell you why we are taking info objects, why we are not taking info objects. Okay, now data is available in the PSA level. Now what I will do, my data source name is this one. I'll copy into one notepad to remember. And what is my name? Source name? GAH. So system. Okay. Then go to info folder. So here only I will create. Okay. Right click, create DS. Okay. Now I am creating it. So this is old version to creating the classic DSO. Okay, basically DSOs are three types. Classic DSOs are three types. These are classic DSO, standard direct update. By default, standard DSO available. Okay. Now key fields. We need to enter key fields. Fine. Here I'm giving 0.num. So I'm getting 2. Okay. These are all zero info objects, SAP objects. Remaining I will keep into this data fields. 0 cal day, 0 cal month, 0 cal. I don't know exactly name, so I'm giving like this. Okay. 0 cal. If you don't know, just use star. Okay. And 0 plant. If you know, fine. 0 customer. Yes. 0 material. Fine. Okay. 0 location. Star. If you don't know location, yes. Like we'll say local currency. No, I don't have it. Okay. Reason. Okay. Now reason also came. Okay. Yeah. Reason also came. Now we need zero amount and the quantity. Okay. So when I add zero amount and quantity, automatically currency and the unit will come because those are relevant to these objects. Amount and quantity came. Okay. Currency and the unit came. Now I'm activating it. Just try to understand. We are discussing about transformation, not DSO, not data source. Already you know that. This is target. And what is the target object? Okay. Target is DSO. Target is DSO. Source is data source. Okay. Remember this option. Okay. In between, we'll create transformation. Okay. We need to create the transformation to include both source and target. Okay. Now, what is this object? Fine. Okay. I activated this DSO. Now, once you activate, we need to map, right? This is so how you will say this is advanced DSO, this is classic. How you will like recognize it? You can see this is small square box. That is classic DSO. This is advanced DSO. Okay. If we don't see any square box in front of DSO, then it is a advanced DSO. If you see that square box small, then it is classic DSO. Okay. So I'm going to create transformation, bro. So this is how
Where
you
you
will
will
create
use
that.
where will use classic and ADS, and like difference. Classic days where will use.
So we have BW on HANA, BW on HANA, and BW for HANA, right? We have BW for HANA, BW on HANA, right? So in the
Um,
BW for HANA, we have only concept of advanced DSO.
ADS.
Okay. So we don't have concept of classic DSO in the BW for HANA. Clear?
Uh,
And
uh,
BW on HANA, we have both classic and classic DSO and advanced DSO. Both we have it.
uh,
Why they given option this? So if you want to move from BW on HANA to BW for HANA, then we have to convert this classic DSO to advanced DSO. Some projects will move from BW on HANA to BW for HANA. They will move from BW on HANA to BW for HANA. They will move. This is migration project.
okay.
Okay. So what is the difference between both classic and advanced DSO? Classic DSO will create only three tables, whereas advanced DSO will create three tables and three views, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is extra activities, extra features they given it. In the ADSO level, three tables and three views, whereas classic DSO only three tables. There is no views.
Okay.
Okay, in the classic DSO, I can create classic DSO. We can add only 16 key fields maximum. Okay, whereas advanced DSO, we can keep 120 key fields.
What number of people?
120 key fields. Okay. So, okay. So, whereas classic DSO, I can design only based on info object model.
Okay.
Based on the info object model. Info object model. Info object model means now I created, right? This one. All are
Ah,
info objects only, right? I given, right? These
yes,
are
sir.
all info objects only. I can't give any fields. Whereas advanced DSO, I can design based on the field-based modeling as well.
Field charge.
That is the main difference. Okay. Okay. This is the difference. Okay. Let me create transformation. Now I'm trying to create transformation. Create transformation. So right click on this. This is target, right? And source is data source. Now this you are clear, right? Target is this one only, one at one
Ah,
only. That is why I just right click on this one. Right click. So no need to give target. Automatically target will come. Okay, target this is one, right? You can see target of the transformation. Target.
ah,
What is the
yes.
source? Data source.
Okay.
What is the source? Data source only, right? Don't select all. What is your source? Data source only. What is our data source name? This is only,
Yes,
right? Clear? What is your source system name? I'm copying this. Okay. Okay. Click. Now you can see here what and all you given document number, document item, okay, plant, customer, material you given. Okay, automatically those are mapped it. Zero info objects. Remaining it is not mapped it. System is not identifying. So when I
Ah,
give transaction data, see, system, okay, where is the reason? So when it is length is different, when his length is different, then it will not identify. Where is country? Yes, let me add country as well. Okay, now I given mapped it. This is the kind of mapping, bro. So very, very important this one. What are the key fields here? What are the key fields here? Keys. In the
Item,
target, what are the keys?
Document
Document
number and
number,
document
document
item.
item. Document number, document item. These two are keys. Okay, very, very important. Okay. And total, how many fields are there in the target level? 16. Total 16 fields are there. In the left side, only 11 are there. Okay. Now we mapped it. So now we need to discuss about transformation, right? This is transformation. Now you can see if you click on this, so it will go minimize. If you click on this, you can see what is source. This is source. What is target? This is target. And now if you want to download this image as you can download. Okay, you can download this image as well. Where is this image? So the image will come and sit into your desktop as well. Okay, because there is no internet. So in our try in our system. Okay, once the image also will come. So slowly I will explain you all the options here. For example, how it is mapped, document number from source, from which field it is coming. So you need to click on this highlight source target field. Okay, see now it is highlighted. Now, so I'm selecting this transaction date. So select this one. Oh, this field is mapped to this all. Okay, easily you will identify one option. Okay. Now location is mapped to highlight. Okay. Now it easily, even if you have 200 fields in the target, you can identify like this. How the source is target to map it. If you don't map, data will not travel to target. So data is available in the PSA here, data source level. So when you create transformation, when you execute the DTP, data will travel to target. When you map, then only it will come. If you don't map, then data will not come. Okay, now here, double click on this. I double click on equal. So here we having rule types. This is very, very important. Okay, in the transformation level, we have six rules. Transformation level, we have six rules. Okay, six rules, very, very important. So these rules, you can see rule types: initial, constant, direct assignment, formula, read master data, read from DSO, read from classic DSO, routine. Okay, these options are there. Okay, by default, direct assignment came equal. So now you can see all are equal only. This is calendar day. This is time characteristic. This is time characteristic. Okay, only for calendar day it will come like cal day time objects. It will come like no time. Okay, time characteristic. So remaining all direct assignment equal only. If we don't map, what will happen? We'll see one by one. Okay, one option. So now I activating it. So what message you are getting? Here red is 0. Warnings, yellow is 1, 0. And green is 1. Okay. Now go back. Now see here, DTP is not there. Now I'm trying to create DTP. So now activate it. Don't do anything. Same source only. What is the source here? Source object. What is the source? Data source only. See here, data source only. What is the source system name? This one. And go to target. What is the target name? This is our DSO, right? Classic DSO. GDSO 101. This is only, right? Now I'm activating it. So what is the use of DTP? We are transferring the data from PSA to data is available in the PSA and we are moving to target. Okay, so I can't create without transformation DTP. If I want to create DTP, we should have transformation. Without transformation, I can't create DTP. So without DTP, I can't load data. Okay, without transformation, these both are interdependent. Okay, without transformation, I can't create DTP. So without DTP, I can't load the data. If you don't map the fields, then data will not come. So both are interdependent. Very, very important in the real. So I'm executing it. We already executed info package. Data is available in the PSA, right? Now you can see from where data is coming. You can see here. What is our data source name? GDS trans 1 and source system GH. What is our target name? GDS1 underscore 101. That is the target name. We are loading. Okay, now you can see here option. Now you can go to header. Now you can see how many records are there. Data records inserted 6. Okay, what is the source here? GDS stands 1. From which system it is coming? This system. And this one target. This is description. Now you can click on this filters. Click here. So how many records are there? This is request ID. Request ID 11329, right? 11329. Remember this number 11329. So just I'm clicking this source. Just click source and go to here. This option manage PSA. What is the number here? 11329. Remember. Oh, in the so what? How many records are there? 11329. Those records came to the target. That is what it is saying. Go to here. How many records are there? 6 records are there. What is the request number? 11329. And go back here. Now you can, what is the number? 11329. In this request, 6 records are there. Okay, it bought 6 records, okay? From one request only it got it. Clear? Huh? And if you want to go target, now see this option. Administer data target. So here you can see, here also you can see. Do you have any filters? No, I don't have any filters. Selection conditions I don't have. When you was requested, when it is updated, when it is selections, and this is transfer records. How many records are transferred? 6. How many records are added? 6 records. Type of data. Type of data update, delta update. What is the source? Data source. Okay, now you can see what is the data source name. Now you can see here details. This is the data source. What is the target? Target name is this one. Target name is this one. Okay. Right, go right side. So what is the source system name? So it will give all the details. Okay. When it was, what time you requested, what is the requested updated. Okay. So you can see all this information. Now currently data is available in new table, right? New table and inbound table both are same because I didn't activate it. This is classic DSO. Classic DSO level we having new table. In the new table SID and data packet and record number. Extra will come. Whereas inbound table we have request number, data packet number, data record number only. Only instead of SID it will come like no request number. Timestamp will come in the inbound table. Go back. Now you can see. So this is activation, right? So if you do, what will happen activation here? Select this and click on start. Once you click on start, then data will move from new table to active table, change in a table, right? Once you do activation, that is the funda. So if you are attending interview, this is very careful, bro. This is very, very important. When you do the activation, the data will move from new table to active table, change in a table in classic DSO. Whereas BW4 HANA advanced DSO, right? The data is available in the inbound table. When we do the activation, the data will move to the active table, change in a table. Only concept is here, new table, there you have inbound table. Okay. Once you activate it, this symbol will come. What is this symbol? Request is available for reporting. Before it is not there. Now it is came. Now you can check into the new table. Data is available. No, data is deleted. Na? We already activated. Go to active table. So in the active table level, do we have any request numbers? No, I don't have any request number, packet number and record number. Here we having all. Okay. That is why we will use active data for reporting. Now you can see change law table as well. Go to change law. And now you can see here. Okay, now you can see. Very, very important. This is the important. Okay. Record mode. These many images would be there. Remember, this is very, very important. In the interview, they will ask you, okay, after image is blank, before image is X. Now, what are all images? N means new image only. First time I am loading. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, now if you want to generate report on top of this, how you will generate the report? Okay, now I will go here. So I'm clicking on this. So we having 6 rule types in the transformation level. Click here. Go to here. Go to analysis. Go to insert data source and select data source for analysis. Bro. Skip. What is the system ID? 001. Client is 001 for BW on HANA. So we need to search for my ADS, right? Now data will display only from active table. If we don't activate the data in the DSO level, then it will not come. Data is available in the active table. That is the way it is showing. Now you can see active rows. Now I can see based on the. Okay, fine. This is, you will see the data, okay, like this. And now we'll see. We'll modify the one record and we'll see as well. So now in the transformation, we are discussing about more transformation, right? So what I will do, I will remove this plant. Okay, how you will map? If you want to remove, then right click here. Delete option is not coming. It is in disable mode. Why? If you want to do any changes, first we need to click on this change. Click on change. Then it will become like this. Now you can remove delete rule. If you don't want to map it, then you can delete the rule. So like this you can. So when I delete the rule, what is the option here showing? Double click. See here, no transformation. So one of the rule is here. First one is direct assignment. Direct assignment. Direct assignment, right? And second one is no transformation. So what is happening? No transformation means direct assignment means we need to map it. Just activate it. Just activate it. What will happen? We'll see. Now I'm deleting in the target level. I'm deleting the data in the target level. Okay, don't delete this one. Right click target and don't delete this option. If you delete this, complete DSO will delete. If you delete this one, delete data. Only content will delete in the DSO level. Okay, I'm deleting it. Again, I'm loading it. Okay. So data is available in the PSA level. I'm executing now. So now the data will come to 2 fields. Now we'll see. Go here and check in the new table. So currently data is available in the new table. I'm going to new table only. So now check the 2 fields. Which fields? 2 fields? Plant and customer. Data, why it is not coming? I didn't map it. We selected no transformation, right? Data will not come. Clear? So total we having 6 rules. So direct assignment means we need to map it. No transformation means don't map it, data will not come. Clear? Clear, bro?
One.
Okay. So now go back. Okay, now I'm deleting now again. Delete data. Okay, delete data. Okay, now here, what I will do, I will change the structure, okay? I'm just adding one more field, okay? Right click. Okay, first we need to go edit mode. If you want to do any changes, we need to go edit mode. Any object, same way. Go to info object direct input and here star. I want to add one object total, okay? Now here, do we have any total here? Yes, we have a total.
Down.
Okay. So now I'm adding a total. So is this like no currency or not? See, total is currency only, right? Currency means we can do the calculations, okay? So now let me activate.
Total means sometimes quantity also will come, no?
Yeah. Measures all we can do calculations. Measures not only quantity, amount, head count, employee head count also key figure. Revenue, turnover, all will come as a key figures. We can do the operations, multiply. So now this is transformation, right? So I did target changes. I did target changes. That is the way it will go inactive. Because in the transformation level, you newly added, right? This one, target level. So it will go inactive. We need to activate it. See, not executable because target is changed, right? We just added this one. So now what I will do, again, I will map the plant to plant and material to material, or customer to customer. Okay, I'm mapping it. Fine. Now it is, you can see click all this. All equal only. Equal means direct assignment. So this is G total, right? Double click here. What is the options are there? No transformation and constant. So if you do constant, what will happen? I don't want to do, I will do formula. Okay. So now do formula. If you want to do any formula, we need to map it. So here I'm mapping like what is the source fields, amount and quantity, I'm keeping it. See here, this means I mapped it. Okay. So now we can go formula, right? Go to formula. So now two fields are there, right? My formula is amount into quantity. Now check it. Do you have any issue here? Formula syntax is correct. Now go back. Now transfer values. Now you can see here total. What is the option is came? Okay. Symbol, you can see symbol. This is formula. Now you can select this option. So it is mapped to amount and quantity. You will identify easily in the target like, okay. So symbol you can see. Now we are performing formula. Formula option. Okay, total we having 6 rule types. Direct assignment and no transformation and formula. Okay. Now you can see activate it. So once I activate, not execute will go. Okay. Once I activate, not executable will go and it will show executable. Now you can see executable. Okay, because it is activated. Now you can go DTP. It is also inactive. And change and activate it. Because in the target level, structure is changed. So dependent objects will go inactive. Now I'm activating it. So now you can see here, we won't get differences. And you can see the new table level. Okay, I'm going to new table again. Content, go to new table. And now you execute. Now you can see what is the total. Now you can see here. 1000 into 1000 into 10. 10,000. 10,000, na? 2,000 into 20. 40,000. So like this, it is calculating correctly. If you want, Windows are CALC. Okay, now you can do 1000 into 10. You can do calculation like this. Okay, in the real time, okay, don't open mobiles and all. You can do here on the screen itself. Okay. However, you are comfortable, you can do it. Okay. No one will not say anything. Finally, we need to result has to come. Okay. Clear go like this, you can open it. Okay. So like this, it is coming, right? So now we'll see formula, understood, right? So in other cases, you can do formula as well. I will tell you how you can use formula. Okay. Delete it. Okay. Now I will go to here. Now I will go to here. So we have a material, right? How much length is there? Material source also 18 length, but it is we don't have 18 digit number. Okay. So here also plant also having 15-digit number. So I want to make it as a concatenate. Sometimes I will get concatenate, bro. Sometimes I will get requirement concatenate. So this is 10, 6 and plant. So what I will do? So go to plant if you want to do concatenate. Or else you can create one more object and you can add /o rsd1. Is it possible to create info object here? No, it is not possible. I
Mm.
don't see any create object. I need to create here. So go to here, login BW on HANA, login BW on HANA. Let me close. Okay, now here. First I need to go BW modeling, bro. So I'm clicking on BW modeling. Now what I will do, go to here, BW project. I need to select BW 7.5. Okay, click OK. What is client? 001 only. No need to change it. Click na. So now this came. Okay, 001. How you will identify? Here 400, here 400 is there. But here 200. So I need to create info object, bro. So for example, I'm creating now only here. Create one info object, bro. I'm creating one info object. What is that info object name? So IO underscore concat. I'm creating like this concat. What is the length? Concatenation. I'm giving concatenation. Click. What is this saying? Must be 329, bro.
Mm.
Concat. Okay, must be 329. Okay, now I'm creating info object type characteristic and length is, bro. I will take like 30, bro. I'm taking 30. I will not select master data text hierarchy. I will not select. Okay, just activate it. Just try to understand. Okay, what I'm doing it. Okay, now I will take this object. So I created in the HANA Studio level. So I'm going to BW system and I'm trying to add here. Go back. So now go to DSO.